Tapos kami yung lakaw, atin sa Solomon.
Yung mga awit ko, lahat kayo sa mga gitarista, no? Mga dalawa tayo gitarista, punta lang kayo. Babalik tayo mamaya sa Kagilapil. Ihuli na namin ang tatlo kasi dyan yung makikita yung mga vibrator, mga nangihinig na pala sa takot. Paghuli yung katatso. Okay? Susukin mo na, enjoy din. Handa na po, tumabilan pa dyan. Lawak. Pwede kong juwit ha. Rayo, pwede rin. Kung mayroong magaling magtula, sige, tula rin kayo. Basta maganda lang pagkatula ha. Huwag niyo sayangin ang pagkakataong to God's glory.
Anong letter?
Huwag po kayo mag-alala, may sponsor na tayo. Alam niyo po yung limang hunado dito, sila po yung una namin sponsor. Kaya po kinuha namin sila ng hunado kasi sila po talaga yung sponsor natin. Kaya makakasa po kayo, may matatanggap kayo. Huwag po kayo mag-alala.
Ilang beses na nawala.
We are waiting the time when our Savior's arrives. May be coming, the history home. A place above night where we live will never die. And forever when we rise alone. Arise, shine, Jesus is coming. Signs are fulfilling, the Master is near. Arise, shine, Jesus is coming, spreading news, coming again.
Tagat.
We shall walk the street of God and the road was no easier word. But a day that will be when our Savior peace will sing. Face to face will be my Lord and mine. Arise, shine, Jesus is coming. Signs are fulfilling, the Master is near. Arise, shine, Jesus is coming, spreading news, is coming again. That's what we shall walk the street of God and the road was no we shall wear. While they that will be when our Savior peace will sing, I shall live with Him eternally. Arise, shine, Jesus is coming. Signs are fulfilling, the Master is near. Arise, shine, Jesus is coming,